This is a breakdown of what I paid for the paperwork. So the first paperwork was this owner builder exemption application with the NHBRC. For this one, I didn't pay anything. I paid zero for the whole application. So yeah, there was no cost for this paperwork. Then I did a couple of searches at the deeds office to confirm if I really own this property. Those searches, they totaled 95 rand. The geotechnical report or soil test, that I paid nothing for that as well. I got this report from the HOA. They gave this to me. This is the report that recommended a raft foundation for the foundation because, as you see here, it says it found dolomite. And then for the architect, I paid 5,500 for the architect's fee. Um, I only needed just the drawing to submit to the council. I'm saying this because I got a wide range of quotes from different architects. One even quoted me, I think, 80,000 for this. But my requirement was simply to get drawings that I could submit to the council. I did not need any other services. The engineer's fee was 5,000, so I paid 5,000 to get the foundation design, and this also included indemnity insurance, which the municipality wanted. I did not know about that, so initially I paid 3,100 for this, but then it ended up being 5,000. Yeah, I also had to pay these amounts. This is HOA Aesthetics Committee Scrutiny Fee, Homeowners Association. So they have some guidelines that needed to be followed, and before you can submit to the council and build, they want to make sure that you're going to build something that is suitable for the estate that you're building in. And so they wanted 3,000 just to have a look at the plans. Then there was this building deposit of 5,000. Yeah, HOA stuff. You'll deal with them. This is how much it cost to do the municipal approval thing. The building plan application amounted to 2,132. It, this amount, I think it's dependent on the size of the house. They charge per square meter. So they have the list on their website. I also had to open an account, water and rates account. This was the initiation fee. This is my spreadsheet. The total cost for the paperwork was 23,000. I forgot to mention in the last video that I had to apply for this thing, application for servitude encroachment with the municipality. They were refusing to approve my plans because of there was something in the title deed about servitude and so on. So yeah, since they're very pedantic, they were refusing to approve the plans. So I had to go to their legal department and apply for this thing. There was no cost for that. But it added like 3 months to the whole delay. Um, and then what else did I not mention? Oh, the zoning certificate. They charged 34 rand for that, the municipality. And then I had to print out these house plans since I was constantly having to resubmit with them. But yeah, this is what I spent for the paperwork.